Have you hired a notary, consultant, paralegal that doesn't actually work for an immigration law firm anymore? Maybe in the past, or maybe your auntie or uncle, maybe a family member helped you file some immigration paperwork, some forms, because it's easy just to fill out some forms. It's not. You're going to want to watch the rest of this video. My name is John Teague. I practice immigration law in the United States to help you secure legal status to live and work in America legally because the government does not care. So here's the deal. Almost every day, someone has a meeting with one of us on the team, and it comes to find out that in the past or even recently, they had hired one of these people who are not licensed attorneys in America. Maybe they might have some immigration experience, but they're not a lawyer. And just in case you didn't know, there's a crime that is a felony in Texas. So here's an example that is common in most scenarios of this nature, is that when the application is filed, for example, a 485 application for adjustment of status, and when filed with another application, maybe a petition, I-130. Let's just say it's a marriage-based residency application, okay? You've been complaining about the processing times and you finally have the interview. And you get to it and you're confused because the USCIS officer, if they're really doing the job as they usually do, they would say, you should not have actually filed this application. Now, if you're in this situation, don't feel bad, okay? And you might get stuck because whatever advice you got from the past or whoever you got the recommendation that goes to that person who is a non-attorney, you just have to move forward, okay? You got to forgive yourself. I don't judge. I'm just here to share what you need to do next, okay? Now that with the power of social media and all this, you have more knowledge, use this knowledge to take action. Because some of you might think, oh, it's still processing. Maybe you didn't have interviews, still processing, so everything's okay. If something's taking a long time, you might want to check in with the attorney to see if it's actually processing because maybe something else happened and you didn't know. Okay, so for example, this person had an interview and the officer said, you should not have even filed it. In this day and age, in 2025, this application costs a couple G's. Okay, so you might want to definitely consider to contact an immigration attorney. Look, it'll be our distinct pleasure if you contact us here at Green Card Guys, but there's so many great attorneys out there. We're happy to share contacts, okay? But here's the thing. You need to take action. You need to talk to an immigration attorney to verify if you're eligible. And here's why that most people who have filed 45 are not eligible. And some people think, oh, is it crimes? Is it criminal history? Is it because someone lied? That person lied in a prior application? It could be, but this video is about when someone entered the United States without a visa and not eligible for something, even 245I, which I'll explain in a separate video. So if you're not legally eligible for 45, okay, you need to pivot and take action to do something else, which in this situation is to file a family unity waiver, the 601A form. And right now, post-pandemic, this takes 36 months. Okay, it's been hovering over 38 months. So you need to take action, talk to one of us at the Green Card Guys, and we look forward to helping you. If you found this helpful, save this video for future reference, comment your experience. Maybe you have hired a non-attorney before. Look, again, I'm not here to judge. Let's move forward and take action. And of course, follow and click the bell for notification when I have a live show. You're welcome to join and ask questions. Talk to you soon.